Hello, my name is Scott Britton. I'm the president and CEO of MyIntelliSource Incorporated. This is part 4 of our 5-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyTimeClock Web. In this video, I will be covering setting up sites, departments, job levels, and jobs for creating schedules. So let's get started. From the MyTimeClock homepage and logged in as the primary user, go to the User tab menu bar and click on Locations. We will start with sites because departments depend on them, so click Sites and then click New Site. You must have at least one site in MyTimeClock in order to use it. The only required field is the description field. All the others are optional, but allow you to add additional separating information to a site. So for this example, I will just enter the word site and leave the other information blank. If you wanted to, you could come back at a later date and fill in the other information by clicking the View Update option instead of the New option in the tab menu bar. Next, we will move to departments. You must also have at least one department listed to enter schedules. Click on the Location tab menu bar option again, go down and click Departments, and finally click New Department. Departments are per site, hence the reason we created a site first. Enter a name for your first department and select the site you just created. For my department, I will enter Corporate. Once you have selected both options, the Submit button will turn blue and you'll be able to click it. If you are finished, click the Submit button. Next, we will move to the Jobs tab menu bar option. Click on it now. Job levels are optional in MyTimeClock. In small organizations, you may not need to enter job levels. In MyTimeClock, job levels are simply a descriptor that allow you to enter a name for a job level you are creating. For my job level, I will simply enter job level. So I will click Job Levels, then New Job Level, and enter my description. Finally, we will enter our first job. Go back to the Jobs tab, scroll down and click Jobs, finally click New Job. This brings up the Jobs page. The Jobs page allows you to create a job without selecting a person up front, such as if you want to enter a list of jobs, then go back and fill in your individuals. Two fields are required, description and department. Jobs are broken up by departments, which is exactly why we created a department first. For my description, I will enter job and select the department I just created. Because this is a tutorial and need-to-know guide, for this example I will add a person to the job, so I click Add Individual. When you add an individual, only the individual's name selection is required. The wage is optional. I will select the secondary account I entered in the second video. For this example, I will enter a wage of $20. Just remember that wages are per hour. Once you have entered the required information, the Submit button will turn blue and you can click it. Click and confirm to save your new job. Now that you've learned how to create sites, departments, job levels, and jobs, in the next video I will cover setting up time off types, creating a schedule, and creating a schedule template. Thank you for watching part 4 of our 5-part series, Getting Up and Running Quickly with MyTimeClock Web. If you'd like to know more information about our company and its software, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube. Explore our website at www.MyIntelliSource.com or send us an email at the email address listed at the end of this video. Take care and have a great day.